Alright guys, welcome back to the channel once again. And today we're gonna be talking about the error boundaries. So which means like how we can track the errors inside the React.js code. Like if we are writing something into that and there would be some kind of syntax error or something kind of that, like variables in undefined. It's coming into your console showing the error over there. Like always you see kind of things like red into the console. Those kind of thing if we want to avoid and we want to show some custom page over there, like it should not come on the screen like this thing is undefined and should show not found page or something like that whenever a kind of error comes into your applications. For that, this error boundaries comes into the picture. There is one more, like you can create a component that will catch your error into your whole React application and it will show you the default page over there, like whatever the page you want to show. Like normally we show if there is any route is not found into our application, so we show not found page, so which means that route is not defined into the application. Same kind of thing we're gonna do into this for over here as well, like something error occurred or something like that, you want to show the page, so you can show that custom page over there for this. So this is the blog in React.js organization, so this is written over here. You can also read this documentation over here. Whole documentation is written, and also it's defined over here like how many ways to track the errors into the React.js. So I have already told you, like one method is this one, like you can copy this code and paste it into your repository and just use this error boundary component, like wrap your whole app.js or index.js into this error boundary, and it will start tracking your all the errors, syntax error and every kind of error into your component, and it will show you into this function component did catch. So this function track all the error, and you can set any state and you can show the custom component over here on this line. Okay, so one is this method, and another method is like you can use it with the try and catch, so that is also given over here. So how about try and catch, but you can't do every time try and catch into your system, because every time you need to something or some kind of time you need to track this one. So try and catch you need to write a lot of places, or if you write into the single parent component, so that won't work better, I think so, because I have already tried that one. So this is the very generic method and very useful into the React. Everyone use this one for the showing custom page if any kind of error comes into the application, so that I also prefer. So they have given one live demo, like code sandbox over here, so you can just click on this and you can see the code over there. And also, so this is like there's the application code pen, and inside that you can see the code is written over here. So all the components are written into the single file, so you can just copy this whole code and paste it to your any JavaScript file or anywhere, and you can just run this. So you will see currently you can see it's running perfectly fine. And if I do any kind of syntax error over here, let's suppose this counter is written, and if I do any kind of type random variables over here, so it will track the error and it will reload the page, and you can see something went wrong details, so it will show you the details like reference error, this is not defined. Okay, so where it is coming from, so you can see over here something went wrong is coming, and after that they are showing the error info as well over here. Okay, so that's thing coming over here thrice, but it should come only once over here. So maybe the mapping is done for the thread, so that's why it's coming. But this is USC, you can see this is custom, this is not coming like red or something like that. So if I remove this, like it's already wrapped into this error boundary, and if I remove this component from here, let's go. So you can see this buggy counter is written thrice. So if I remove this from here, okay, so now let's see. So you can see the page gone blank, so nothing is coming over here. And if you check in the console, so console you can see multiple errors are coming like this over here. Okay, so you can see errors are coming and there's nothing is showing on this page. So this page is gone broken. Okay, and if you just revert this code a little bit and revert this one, and now see it, so it will reload, it will show you this one. And let's make some changes over here, and you can see it will come again. Okay, and it will show you the error message. So that's it, like that's you need to do for catching the errors, and it's very pretty easy. You just need to go over here and check the error boundaries. You can search it over here as well, like boundaries, and you will get it over here. So I hope you guys like found this video very useful, and you can also try into your any kind of application you're making. So this is very important part into your application, so to make sure you have already implemented this one. Okay, so thank you so much guys, thank you for watching, and if you have learned something from this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much, and meet you in the next video.